Hey everyone. Welcome back to part 8 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we're diving deeper into conditional and loop statements in Python. We'll explore how indentation works, discuss loops like if, else, and nested loops, and understand their use through practical examples. Let's get started.
And I need to cover this listed tuple dictionary sets also. Okay, when you are entering into this, it's better if you know this conditional statement. Okay, we'll more work on these things. Okay, on conditions we'll work more on these things, these data types. So it's better if you know this all data types, know all these loop statements. Okay. Okay. Next, condition loops. What are the conditional loops? What are the different types of loops you have? You can ping in the chat so that I'll understand who know all the, like everyone know the loops or not. Yeah, for loop. Any other? While, only while. Okay. Initially we go with if loop. Okay. First we'll complete with if loop. These classes will be little slower. Why? Because I want the beginner needs to understand these classes. Don't feel that like content is not going so much, like topics are very easy to understand. It will be like a recap for you, but this will help for the beginner. Okay. Syntax. How you will give the syntax? Syntax is just same like if of condition. Okay. You'll the condition, and if condition is true, this is a syntax for if statement. Okay. If else if all are conditional loops. Okay, loops only. If of condition, if you're giving, if condition is true, okay, then only, and indentation also. I'll be talking about indentation when we are dealing with this if loop. I'll talk about indentation. Indentation is very important in Python. Okay. It may raise error. In C language, in Java, you'll use that brackets, but in Python, it will raise some indentation error. I'll clearly mention where you need to take the indentation and how to take it. Number of spaces also. Okay. This statement execute when statements will be executed only when statements are true. Statements will be executed if condition is true. Okay, then only this will execute. Otherwise, it won't. Okay, statement will be executed if condition is true only. For example, uh, a is equal to some 90. A is equal to some 90. Based on this, I'll give some problems also. A is equal to 90, B is equal to 89. Okay. I'll take a condition. If A is greater than 90, okay, I'll write something like printf. Printer. Here I want to print hello world. Okay. Condition is true. A is greater than 90. A is equal to 90, right? So let me change the condition. A is B. It's printing hello world, right? Here, see here. You need to give this colon, okay, and then after that just enter. Okay, it takes 4 spaces actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or else you can take one tab. You can press tab also. This is indentation. Okay, if you take this indentation only, your Python script will work. Otherwise, it will raise an error. For example, say if I give only 3, is it running? Okay, it needs to error. It needs to raise some error actually. Okay, it's not in the indent. Fine. Okay, fine. I'll do one thing. Why it's not showing error? Because A equal to A. Okay, let's see. A is equal to 90. Just because some updates of my computer, like laptop, it's showing this way. Okay. But if you want to execute things in this, so you need to use loops. Even yesterday, same thing happened. I have shown you that typecasting for string that is not working. Just because of some updation thing in my laptop, these are not working properly. Okay, I cannot degrade the versions. Like I'm using this Jupyter notebook for computer vision topics and advanced part for creating some LLMs and all. Okay, in CV everything is updated, so I cannot degrade it. We'll see. For that, I'll do one more thing. Tomorrow, I'll use some environment for this so that it will not raise this sort of things. Okay. Remember this indentation. Okay. Got it right? How to take it? Same thing if you run in online compiler, it will not show any error too. Okay. Got it right? And if you take condition false like this, it doesn't print anything. Here, nothing is printing. Okay. If only condition is true, then statement will be executed. Okay. Next, similarly, here if else statement you are taking. Okay. In else statement, what will be the else statement? Can anyone tell me what will be the else statement? Statements will be executed only when it will be executed when condition is false. Okay. When you take that condition is false, then this will be executed. Okay. Clear? When else statement will work, I'll show you. Um, if for that I want to take some else, you can take anything however you want. I'll take age or something. 18. Okay. Uh, some 18 or else you can take some input value directly. A is equal to hint of input. Okay. You can write enter a enter age. Okay. Now see here I'll write if A is greater than or equal A is greater than 18. Okay. You'll be major, otherwise you'll be minor. Okay. Major, else we can take minor, right? Okay, less than or equal to, even if it is 18 also okay. Okay, otherwise you are considered as minor. Okay, see now, if I take some 30, 39. Okay, condition here what you have given is wrong. Age should be greater than or equal to 18, then you are considered as major, right? Okay, if you take 18 also consider as major. Okay, but if you take some 12, you are considered as minor. Okay, in this way, your loop will work here. Okay, getting it right? How you are getting these things? It's clear. If else loop. Everyone understanding this if else loops, right? How to take it if else one statements. Similarly, you can take n number of loops actually. Like for example, instead of this, I want to take some other things like greater than I'm taking, right? A is greater than, okay? And again, if you'll call it as L if, okay? A is less than 18, one more condition, okay? And here I want to give else, you can give number of however you want, okay? And I want to take some print statement as age is equal to 18, okay? Under 18 or else, okay? You can take anything here. It's showing an error just because you need to take colon. Okay, if you take 18, see, directly it is coming to age is 18. Okay, And similarly, if you take 12, it will show you minor. Similarly, if you take 90, it will give major. Clear it? You can take number of loops here. However you want, you can take number of loops for it. N number of loops you can take. Okay? Clear, right, everyone, this part? And nested else loop, you can take so many in a nested loop. This loop only you can take. One I'll show you. You can try other. In this thing, I'll be taking some more division, like if A is greater than 18, I'll take some more division. A is greater than 50. Okay. Your age is under 50. This is nested if else you can take. Age is under 50 I'm taking here. Just showing you some condition how to take. Okay. A is under 50 or greater than 50. Okay. I'll give this. Greater than 50. A is greater than 50. Similarly, if it is else, if I'm taking here inside it, else then your age is less than 50. Okay. You can take nested also. Age is less than 50. Okay. Above 18 you are taking, above 50 you are taking. Again, here condition is above 18. And again, you are taking condition above 50 and above less than 50. Both conditions you are taking. For example, below 18, it gives this condition, minor. Okay. Even if you take 18, it gives this. Okay, age is equal to 18. But if you give this 23, see, some 33. Age is less than 50. And if you take some 88, see here what it will give. Age is greater than 50. Okay. In this way, you can use nested if else loops also. Under one condition, okay, what is a condition? This A less than 18 is a condition. These are the under this A greater than 18 condition. Okay. This sort of if else loops, you'll call it as nested if else. Okay. Nested if else. Nested if else statement. Okay. Clear, right? These things, all these things, all these things is clear, right? Till here. What are conditional loops? We'll discuss with all the conditional loops. These conditional loops are very important. All these things are clear, right? We'll be dealing with this basic part up to more. We may deal up to more 2 classes for this basic part. Then after that, some advanced part we'll deal. And I'll be covering this lambda function and all the functions also. All important things also. Okay, list comprehension I'll cover. Lambda function I'll cover. All the important things I'll cover in the class. Okay. Clear till here? Any doubt, anyone? Let me stop the recording. That's all for today's class. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 9, where we'll continue exploring more Python concepts. Don't forget to subscribe to Sklassics Technology.